how to choose career path as a software tester. Recently, I've had to talk to a series of testers, different testers working on software, people testing mobile applications, web applications, a whole lot of different applications. But in Nigeria particularly, employers tend to look for a full stack tester. I mean, an all-round tester who can test for everything, like someone that knows how to test mobile applications, test web applications, do performance testing, do automation, do everything. But really, what is the career path for a software tester? Many find it really difficult to know, which path should I follow? Or many don't even know whether there is a career path for software tester. So many more are restricted to the corner of where they work as a software tester, and really they don't know what next to do. So if you're in the category of people like this, then this video is actually for you. So if this is your first time on this channel, or you have been coming to this channel but yet to subscribe, kindly click the subscribe button and also the notification bell so you can get updates each time I drop a new video. Okay, so how to choose a career path as a software tester. Now, looking at this diagram, this is ISTQB, International Software Testing Qualification Board career path for testers. There are three options here. We have the foundation level, which is the minimum for all software testers. So really, if you look at this diagram, you will see from the far right hand, you are going to see the specialist certifications. So now this specialist can be pursued by anyone. So if you really want to be focused on a particular kind of testing, like you want to be an automation tester that tests using execution tools like Cypress, Selenium, or other kind of testing tool in the market, then you may want to consider being a test automation engineer. So in that case, after taking your foundation level tester certification, then you want to go to the specialist certification like the test automation engineer. That's for people that want to become software testing engineer. So if you are the one that likes anything security, protecting, safeguarding properties, you may want to consider security tester to ensure that internet fraud is not happening. Okay, so if you are the one that loves that, that really resonates with you, then you may want to consider a security tester. Yeah, so we have performance testing, and of course, if you really want to be a person that I want to focus on the performance of the system that is being built, or whether after the development or even while it is already the operational environment that is actually being used, then you may want to consider performance testing as a career option for you. And here you use like other tools, like you can use like JMeter, for performance testing. Right, so for mobile application testing, just all these specialist applications are just look at through them and see, oh, I want to work in the gambling industry, all these honest bet, jabet, all these kind of industries like that. So you may want to consider that. So of course, they streamline, and go through any of these specialist certification, acceptance testing, AI testing, automotive software testing, like you want to work with a manufacturing company that produces vehicle, right? So you want to be in charge of testing their softwares for all those vehicles and all of that. So you want to consider this. So this is a way to narrow down what you are doing, and of course, people that are specialists, that specialize in a particular part of testing, a particular field of testing, are well paid than jacks of all trades. And of course, I know the challenge in a place like Nigeria, where in Africa generally, where they want you to do everything. They want you to be the one that will do the manual test, do the automation testing, do the security testing, do the performance testing, in fact, test the mobile application, all of that. But really, eventually, it pays off to be specialized in one or two things, and that will really pay you well along the line. So looking at the after the foundation level, you look at the agile part, the far left, you'll see foundation level for agile tester. But really, the prerequisite for doing every other, moving to any of these is the foundation level. And like agile is a methodology of software development. So you may decide that, I want to be an agile tester. Then going through the agile, part may be really okay. Of course, it's a methodology that is being adopted by nearly every organization now, every development organization, some tech companies, right? So going through that route is a no option for nearly all testers. So that one is not being a specialist, it's just a requirement for everyone at the moment. Of course, if you work in an agile team, definitely you may want to consider having a certification in that line. Then if you look at the core part, you are going to see the advanced level. From the advanced level, you are going to see test analyst, test manager, technical test analyst. So this is for the advanced senior quality assurance people who have been on the job for a period of time. And of course, if you look at these ones, they are for people that have been on the job for a long time, and maybe 5 years and above, who really want to sharpen their managerial skill, want to go into advanced level. And of course, this advanced level can be done even when you have the foundation level. But if you see this expert level, these are people now who have really gone far, say they are into 10, 15 years of experience in quality assurance. Then you may want to consider expert level test management. So all of these are very important. So now, but really, when it comes to choosing your career path, it is all about this specialist certification. And once you have this specialist certification over a period of time, you will, it's just something that is reasonable to advance your career by taking up test manager, test analyst, technical test analyst, and like that. So I think this would be really helpful. So let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video.